Ever wondered about the Hammer Candlestick Pattern in technical analysis? It's a fascinating tool that makes reading the volatile stock market a tad bit easier. Let's dive into the details. The Hammer Candlestick Pattern, as it sounds, resembles a hammer. Think of a candle with a small upper body and a long lower shadow, almost like the handle of a hammer. The color of the body, whether it's filled or hollow, isn't as crucial as the shape itself. What's important is the presence of a small body at the upper end of the trading range, and a long lower shadow at least twice the length of the body. But what does this peculiar shape signify? The Hammer Candlestick Pattern is a bullish reversal pattern, indicating the potential for a price to start moving upward after a downtrend. It's like a ray of hope in a gloomy market, signaling that the selling pressure is decreasing and the buyers are starting to take control. Imagine the stock market in a downtrend. The prices are falling and the bears are in control. Suddenly, a hammer candlestick pattern appears. The long lower shadow represents the sellers pushing the price down, but the small upper body shows that the buyers were able to pull the price back up. This tug of war ends with the buyers gaining some ground, indicating a possible change in the market sentiment. Understanding and recognizing the hammer candlestick pattern can be a game changer. It's like having a secret weapon that gives you a hint about the market's next move. But remember, no tool is foolproof. The hammer pattern should always be used in conjunction with other technical analysis tools and indicators. It's a piece of the puzzle, not the whole picture. In summary, the hammer candlestick pattern is a helpful tool in technical analysis. It's a specific candle shape, with a small upper body and a long lower shadow, that indicates a potential bullish reversal in the market. Recognizing this pattern can help traders anticipate and respond to changes in market trends. Now, keep your eyes peeled for the next hammer candlestick pattern on your stock chart. And remember, the stock market is a battlefield, and the hammer is just one of the weapons in your arsenal. Use it wisely, and may the odds be ever in your favor.